I'm gonna show you guys how I style my hair today. So I used to have like face framing layers and curtain bangs, but they have all grown out. My hair is like super long now. I think I'm definitely gonna get it cut or get a trim, but I don't know, I'm kind of contemplating keeping it long too. But anyways, let's just get started. This is my baby. This is the Babyliss Pro in the 1.5 inch barrel. I don't know if it's pronounced Babyliss or Babyliss, but I say Babyliss. To make it easier, I split my hair in half in the back, and then which side I'm working on, I go like this, so that way I can just grab from the front and then work towards the back. So I usually leave my front layers here, like my bangs, last, and then I just take my other ones first, and this is how I curl it. Instead of curling it outwards like most people do, I curl it inwards. This kind of gives you like a really nice like heat roller effect, like if you use like those hair rollers. So again, you want to roll it towards your face, not away from your face. Rolling it in. And this is what they look like at first. I only curl inwards to like the first few sections, and then the rest of it I curl outwards normally. So now these ones I just curl outwards away from my face. Now that the rest of the hair is curled, we will do the bangs. So I first section off the bangs like this and pull them to the top. Then I clamp it and I roll it kind of like I would with like a hair roller. So it gives like the same effect, so like this. Then after taking it out, this is what it will look like right away. Now that your hair is like this, you can either put them in rollers, but I'm lazy and I just like to spray them. Lightly spray them because I don't want it to weigh down the curls. Then I usually let the hairspray sit for like a little bit. Then you're just going to take a brush and you're going to want to comb all of this out. Like that. Tussle it around a little bit. Get it just like a little bit messy. Alright, I made myself a little bit more presentable so you guys can get like the full effect of it all. It kind of looks weird when I'm wearing my scrubs, but yeah, this is the final look. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye!